Hello guys, today I'm going to introduce you guys to this new pack that is fresh out of the oven. So basically it's worth $39, but it's going to worth every penny of your money. Why? Because it has over 555 high-end items, easy to install, and if you don't know how to use them, I'm gonna teach you guys today. You know I am giving out free stuff on this channel, so I'm going to give out 3 free packs. Yep, 3 packs with all the items included, and here's how you can participate. Okay, for you guys to win this pack, you must go to the description box and click on this link, which directs you to this page, and you can participate here, and I'll select 2 lucky winners from this website. It's a random draws, and that's 2 out of 3 packs I'll be giving, and I'll share the details for the last pack, last winner at the end of the video, so keep on watching. Okay, as usual, for those who've already purchased this pack or who've got them from the giveaway, you can see that this file is over here. This zip file, you just double click on it and wait for it to unzip. And it might take a while because there are a lot of items, 555 over high-end, high-resolution items. So yep, it's gonna take a while to unzip. And after this is done, just go to this file, and as you can see, there are 3 folders, mainly the help document and the titles and the transitions. So very simple. For the titles, I want you to press Command and C to copy this and go to Home, Movies, Motion Templates, and then just copy paste over here. As you can see, it's kind of a big file, so it's going to take a little while, and when you're waiting, just go back to the folder and copy transition this time and paste it over here as just now, the same. Alright, after you've done all these steps, you can restart your Final Cut Pro, and once you've restarted it, you can always create a new timeline, a new event, a new project, and you can go to the titles tab over here, and then you can see there's DP669, the ultimate graphics pack, and you just click on it, and as you can see, all the titles are over here. There are a lot of them, very cool, very useful. And after you've already checked out them, you can always come here and check out the transitions. It's also under the name of DP669, the ultimate graphics transitions. And yep, the transitions are over here. and actually you can hover your mouse over them and see a very quick preview of what is going on for these very cool transitions. They're very simple ones, but they are very neat. Yep, I'm gonna use them on my video today and you can check it out later. So I'm just gonna pick some of them I think is quite unique and quite useful. For example, the text bubbles. For example, if you're going to have a very Facebook kind of text bubble, it's this one. I'm just drag it over here and put it over my video clip and go to the titles, settings tab over here. And yep, I'm just gonna shorten this first and drag this all the way to the end. There are total 6 bubbles. For me, if I don't really want these photos, I can just unclick them. Yep, and the background, of course, I don't need the background. And you can actually change the color of the bubble text. So yeah, you can change to pink if you want. But I'm not gonna change it for now. I think blue and white are quite good, and I can decrease the spacing like this, obviously. And then obviously I can also change the width of each text. Okay, let's see how it's like first, the default one. As you can see, it's coming very slow. Yeah, basically talking about this new pack. Yeah, and if you don't really need all this bubble, you can always just go to the end and then just drag this over. Yep, something like this, very simple. And I'm going to change the content. Yeah, you want to serve Saturday, and obviously it's too long, so I can always just decrease the width and maybe the height of these first bubble. The status, you can always change them, but I don't really see a need to change them because there are only 3 bubbles, so I think it doesn't really matter much. And you can actually add a photo over here. I think for me, for this case, I'm just gonna drag this girl over here, this default clip over here, and apply click. And then because I've already disabled the bubbles, I mean the photos of the bubbles, I can just reuse them and it will appear automatically. Let's see. Do you want to serve Saturday? Sure. Great. Yep. See, even the small icon is moving as well, so it's kind of cool. And then if you want to change these text bubbles to a higher position, what you can do is come here and change the y-axis like this. Yep, something like this. And maybe I'm gonna make it a little bit more compact and change the x-axis as well, something like that. Yep, so let's try. You wanna serve Saturday? Sure. Great, well done. So for this text bubbles, I think it works best with some emoticons. Yep, so I'm going to select some, for example this one, and sure, about this place, this thing will appear. And then of course it's too big, so I'm gonna change the scale like this and change something like this. Yep, something like that. So you wanna serve Saturday? Yeah, sure. And yep, great. Maybe add another one at this part. So what Yep, this one is cool. So similarly, I'm gonna decrease the scale, put it over here, and maybe like this. I don't know, it looks kind of cool. Yep, so the effects, it's something like that. Okay, I realized there are overlays that are very cool. For example, this one, you drag it over to your video, it has this, you know, heart-shaped effect. I think it's pretty cool for Instagram stories or I don't know, videos. But this one definitely. Few moments later, yeah, that's like a SpongeBob kind of thing. Kind of cool, kind of sweet. And this is included in the pack. And if you like money, I love money, so please subscribe and like my videos so I can earn some little bit of money. I'm poor, I'm broke. Yeah. For this very manga, very anime kind of effect. Wow. Cool, man. So as you can see, there are promotional items. I don't really have any products, so I'm not gonna promote and I'm not gonna use all these. But I think another one which is very useful is, you know, those kind of hand gestures. You know, when you drag it over here. Yeah, you know, this one you can change as usual. You can add a image and combine this with this like effect. So yeah, please like my video, something like that. Yeah, you know, by using different titles, it creates a different type of look. So for example, I'm gonna create a new title over here. Top tips for beginners. You know, this suddenly just make this you know, a little bit professional. It's like those surfing tutorials. Yeah. Top tips for new surfers. Yep, top tips for new surfers. And of course, I'm not gonna use this. Maybe LC, I don't know, surf. Not LC Media, but LC surf. Kind of weird, but yeah, you get the gist of it. And maybe increase the size a little bit. And obviously, you can change the font and everything, but that's not the main focus of today. You can actually change the animation in and out, and I think it's kind of a good dynamic kind of a flow over here, so I'm not gonna change the built-in and build-out effect, but I might want to change the color because I think this red is not very summer-ish. Maybe like this, and yeah, something like that. Maybe green, I don't know. Yeah, and I can change the words as well. Just click this and go to the face and change the words. Yeah, something like that. So this is kind of professional looking, you know, tutorials on how to surf properly and efficiently. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not a surfer. It looks professional. And all of these other titles are very good for your presentations, for your work, your company, like this one, your growth rates, your traction, your startup. Yep, it's going to look freaking professional. Let's try it out. Okay, I don't have a startup, but I would want to imagine that I have a startup or small business. So first step, ideas. Yeah, first step, brainstorm. Yes, brainstorm. Second step, preparation, validation. Check market response. MVP. of faith. Yeah, something like that. Let's see how it looks. Ideas, brainstorm, validation, and then MVP. Yeah, and the final stage, dishing up, is obviously not dishing up. Yeah. For example, now it's just the leap of faith. So I'm gonna readjust the percentage to something like that. It's very easily done. Ideas, brainstorm, and now we come to validation of our ideas, check the market response, and then the leap of faith, MVP, and maybe revalidate again. Okay, for transitions, it's largely similar. First, you have to trim your clips a little bit, and basically all 20 transitions are basic shapes, and yep, you can use them, something like that. If you don't like this, you can, change the single whip to double whip. Yeah, looks better. And maybe try another shape. You can change the color, of course. Yeah, something like that. Yep, it's kind of neat. And although it's not a lot of different type of transition, it's kind of enough for a YouTuber like me to use them on my videos, for my tutorials, or even for a startup company to use on their introductory videos. And that's all for today's tutorial. Hope you guys really enjoyed this, and please remember again, subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you so much, and bye bye. And finally, if you want to win this pack, you can comment in the comment section on how I can improve on my tutorials, or whichever techniques you want to see in the next video, or maybe just drop me any comment and I'll select one of you and give you the pack. And that's all for today's tutorial and plugins review. Hope you guys enjoy this. Remember again to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you so much, and bye bye.